Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today I am going to be teaching you how to make slime. Okay, so the first thing that you need, get the camera started. Okay, the first thing you'll need a mixing tool and a bowl, and I'll go get those stuff right now. Or you can use a cup, not a bowl. Just use something that you can mix it in. Okay, what I'm using is a cup because, the bowls are over there that where I carried. And I'm gonna go get a mixing tool. Okay, I have this red spoon. Put it right here. And the next thing you will need is some glue. Clear glue or some white glue, whatever. And if you want, you can color it with some food coloring. Okay, I'm gonna go get the glue. Okay, I got this Elmer's glue, not clear, and I am going to pour it out. Okay, got the cup. Okay, I'm pouring it in. Okay, come on, pour out, pour out. Got all the glue in there. Put this lid back on. Okay, put the lid back. I'm gonna throw this away, BRB. Okay, I'm back. I just threw that away. And now, if you want to, you can stir it. Okay? The glue right now. Okay. After you stir it, you can add some color. I have these. I'm gonna add some red and blue to make it purple. The food coloring it. And now what you want to do is stir it again. Whoa, that's a lot of color. Oh my gosh, it turned purple. Okay, it's really pretty. Okay, I mixed that purple glue and stuff. Now what you're going to need is some shaving cream. Any kind of shaving cream, it doesn't matter. And this it looks like yogurt. Well, I'm gonna pour it in here. And it does make noise when it squirts out for some reason. Okay. got some in. Okay, now stir it. Stir the slime. Okay, I stirred it. Now what you're going to need is, okay, so now what you're going to need to do is get some borax. I'm gonna go get some. But if you don't want borax, you can use contact solution. But wait, you don't have any borax. I'm just gonna use this contact solution that I have. Okay. And I put it in this different bottle because the other bottle somehow broke, but it wouldn't squirt out. So let's go. I just found it. This is actually contact solution. It says right here, contact solution. It's not really water. I just put it in this because the other one, I already told you, it wouldn't squirt out. Okay, let's go. Okay, pour this a little bit light, this medium. Okay, now what you're going to do is stir. And you see it's like turning into slime. I'm gonna go put it in a different container because there's actually getting a lot in there. So, be right back. Okay. This container that I'm going to put it in. Whoa. Now I'm going to pour this slime in here. Oh, by the way, guys, I was just kidding. I didn't really put red and blue in there. I put blue and green to make it teal. So, I like teal. Okay, I'm going to pour this in here. Whoa. Spoon. Okay, I took out the spoon. Here's the teal slime, and I was just getting it really. Actually, wasn't purple. I'm just gonna put some on the table. I'm just putting a little bit on the table. It's stuck. For some reason, little slime always gets stuck. Whoa. Okay. I'm gonna get this off. Okay, it's all over the table now. Okay. We're lighting this table. Okay, I can't touch the camera. slime just got all over my phone. Oh my gosh. Be right back, guys. Move my phone. There's slime everywhere. There's slime everywhere. Oh my gosh, it's just been on my back. Here. Okay. I got